Gumatang katikan ng ti aso. Agor ka. Ay, Diyos ko, nagsaya at internet agpo. Ukaw nga talaga. Aha. Kat, bumasa ka nga rod balong. Naawan dito lyrics sa DJ Gray sa DJ. Kat, I guess, DJ Gray. Okay, iti ka rod. Magkita ka nga rod.
David Pomeranz.
Yeah. Magating nga rod. Bumasa ka pa kating ito mga pangablaaw. Biro ka kit internet ajay lyrics na. Kat, agpukaw-pukaw ti internet. Kamelvin. Mabit lang po KARRUBA. Awan. Few kaway. Aha, dadi karta po ti may isang sonata. Apartakam, aga na, apo Diyos ka. Yeah.
Friend of mine. Para kasi kano friend of mine. Ano, yung kasano da yan?
I've known you for so long, you are a friend of mine. Baby, it's gonna matter this way. Madik amo, ata kanta ni Jam Morales ita, ano, at tinang revive katig ito ilaang.
Manong June, can brother Mac man love of a lifetime. It's me, Jeffrey Balacano. I found love of a lifetime.
Nakantam da ito, diba? Okay, dati nga rin na po.
Request.
From,
Ayo request dah.
Dati nga rin na po. Sabi ko mataos dati dito internet na lyrics.
Today, I am sure that you were going to would feel the way I'm sad. Maybe it's you who fills up my life. And if you walked away from me today, never to return until the journey that you made had ended. I know you planned it just to fill up my life. Fill my life till now. No one's been able to show me how to fill my life like you. You are the woman who thought me too. And if you walked away from me today, it wouldn't change a thing. I'd still be singing celebrations of you. Maybe you do fill up my life. Fill my life. Now I know what it feels like to overflow until my life is true. What I'm here for is here for you, just for you, only for you.
with Pomerantz song Cool If You Walked Away as requested. Ngarod. Mambasa nga mo lang kita itong mga
Manen.
request. Ayan, puro Ilocano kami na kita
Count nyo man mga idol. Isagot po ka ni Arlene Viernes. It's me, Jake Viernes from Ramon. Isabela.
Anak, dati, ajing, badim kanta na Love of a Lifetime as requested at time.
Mataas ta.
Okay. Pero ka mga rutan, datan. Kata apo, 15 minutos lang yan, kasagbayan tila sa Timalam, dan tali tayo man nagpinakatan, iso nga, itad mo, di kalalengan ng balong, ibir kakamon di kumanta. Katulit mi apo, into no April 2, at maangay apo nga Optical and Dental Mission sa Jaya Barangay, Villa Carmen, Ramon Isabela. Mabalin na po nga tumabuno, weno umayag paagas na giti dita kabang ibang barbaryo. Basta ipakamuy lang apo kada kami, nga nasapat no amumi, no mano di sagsagana ami. Ayan, at apo, duwa nga doktor nga namnamaim mi, duwa nga dentista kan may isang optometrist, nga no maka-invite kami pa, iti dumapay apo nga do doktor kat padasim mi. Can of course, syuran apo nga damotan ti libre nga pukis, ito na tangal daw. So nga kadagiti han na mga sango agudong, apang kayo to dita. Mabalin mo, iti one stop. Malpas agpapukis,
Pwede malpas agpapukis, dental.
Nagpahaparot tingipan,
Optical.
ka pa yan.
Pahit.
Agpahit. Ajit ikaw dyan ipa ito ni John Mark. So agahit kanya yun.
Oy, baka ag-expect daw.
Kada mo pangahit na nga, di motor. Di no hanta kaya nga i-blade, ikantalata, isaksak talata di motor. Warrrr! Kung na kara.
Focus ni tentara na
Chinso mo dito, iba na mo dito. Ngarod, as requested, ito na po, love.
Ang request ni Kuya Melvin eh.
Nandun yung Kuya Melvin.
Kung kunahan naman.
One call away nga. Parting song tanto. Uno na pwede, jay sumangit ka nga kanta.
Sige.
Sa The Love of a Lifetime. Ngarod, as requested, dahito yan na po, sumangit ka.
Kiss our love is like brand new, and every stars up in the sky was made for me and you. Still we both know that the road is long. We know that we will be together because our love is strong. I finally found
tayo pa nagsisina. Kat sabi ko mauray na pagbatit lang apo. Kat napaisam da kayo. Napabalse da kayo. Kangarod. Dahil titimanong yung Jonas Arialas. Kan kanyo nga.
John Mark Pastor.
Kat ko na agis iso katap na pumudaw kakat. At da kami tumanin apo next week. Iti kasimula nga oras alas 12 hanggang alas 3 malam. Dito lang apo.
97.7 Sweet Radio, Santiago City.
Dahil tingarudan, timaudi nga sunata mi pa ay may kada kayo KARRUBA.
Uy.
Agar error sih agor ka matingan na set, di pasok na dito kata. Ulitin ta. Ayan, pumasok ka.
Yun.
Kita ang madlang iti keyboards. Once again, thank you very much for being with us, and till next week. God bless everyone.
Picture perfect memories scattered all around the room. Reaching for the phone 'cause I can't find it anymore. And I wonder if I ever cross your mind. For me it happens all the time. It's a quarter after one. I'm all alone and I need you now. Said I wouldn't call, but I've lost all control and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now.
Another shot of whiskey can't stop looking out the door. Wishing you'd come sweeping in the way you did before.
And I wonder if I ever cross your mind. For me it happens all the time. It's a quarter after one. I'm a little drunk and I need you now. Said I wouldn't call, but I've lost all control and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now. Whoa, whoa. Yes, I'd rather hurt than feel nothing at all. It's a quarter after one. I'm all alone and I need you now.
And I said I wouldn't call, but I'm a little drunk and I need you now.
And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now. I just need you now.
Baby,
Oh, baby, I need you
God bless everyone.